Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2014 Kawasaki Concours 1400. This one's got the ABS, Kawasaki traction control. It's got engine guards, and it has handlebar risers too. And wait till you hear that Two Brothers exhaust pipe. Fantastic condition. Shaft drive. This thing is like a hypersport touring bike, standard with the bags. Also has heated grips and engine guards. Come on by and make your super sport touring dreams come true for just $79.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where every given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. You can raise that windshield up with just a button on the handlebar. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.